Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to make some bows using Erica's News double loop scallop bow set. And let me show you here. So get all these. So it makes two different sizes. It's such a cute die set. And I had shared in an Insta story. I bought these cute little cupcake holders from Hobby Lobby. That would be a cute way to give some bows in it. You can see on the top here, I created the smaller bow. And this is actually the bigger bow. And then I used the smaller fishtails to create this one. And this is using the Strawberry Milkshake collection. I'm loving this collection. So here you can see I made the small one. So pretty. Here's another small one. And then these are the larger ones. And they're so beautiful. And then I just, put some of this, my favorite shred. And then you can gift these to a crafty friend or in a swap. And it's cute in these little cupcake holders. And I had mentioned in my story, if you want to go all out, you can even dangle a charm right here. It would be really cute. So let's make this bow together. Okay, so you can see I cut two different sets, one from each design paper. And here, let me see, let me show you. So you can see this one is from this set. So I went for more of a solid color. And then on this set, a little bit more design. So it has these cute little polka dots and cream design with some numeric numbers in it. Okay, so you can get four different bows, so two large ones and two small ones, by just cutting out two different design papers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to separate them first because I will mix these up. So all I'm doing is just separating the pieces. I did have to cut out two extra of these center pieces for the bows. Okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix them. So I got two here. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take from this pile and then I'm going to layer. So we're going to layer this over this. And then I'm going to take the smaller one, do that. And this larger one, actually do that. And then this goes with this. I'm just layering the pieces here. That way I get four bows. And this is there. And then I need four of these. Perfect. So now I'm going to have four different bows. Okay, so what I do first is I'm going to set the large one aside. So that will go with that. This will go with this. And then this will go with this. And then this will go with this. Okay, and then I also use, where is it? Hold on, let me go get it. I use the chipboard pieces and the puppy stickers for my center. So I'm just going to take them out. We'll decide, as I make them, what I'm going to put in the center. Okay, so let's start with the large one. Okay, so what I do first is I glue this top layer to the scallop piece, And I just, again, use my baking glue. So I'm just going to glue it like so. Just cover the entire piece. And then just, I match this centerpiece with this centerpiece, and then it always lines up perfectly. So as long as those one line up, it should line up perfectly. Okay. And then I'm just gonna let that dry. As I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna do this next. And what I did with mine is I made this one curl up. So I'm gonna take that curling tool that I always use, and I'm gonna curl it. And then I'm gonna glue this piece. I'm gonna use my hot glue gun. And then I'm just gonna match it up like so. So it gives a little dimension while it's curled up. I think it's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna need one of these. And then I'm gonna get this piece, it should be dry. I'm gonna take my curling tool and I'm gonna curl. This is gonna be the front of the bow, okay? So I'm just gonna curl it. I do it a couple of times because it's, you know, the paper's thicker now. I just want to make sure it has a nice curl to it. Okay. So I take a pencil or any round, you know, piece that you have. A pencil always works well. And I'm going to use it when I curl this because I try to avoid getting any creases in my bows. So now you're going to see there's always going to be a little piece here that's kind of sticking out. Basically, it's the end piece. I'm going to add a little hot glue to that. And then I'm going to curl it. And then I'm going to make sure that these two pieces right here match up. So this will pretty much end up in the center. So I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds. Okay, so you got a nice curve. I'm going to do the same to this side. Just make sure the scallops line up. Okay, and we'll do the other two. So I like to use hot glue for this because the paper is much thicker and it will secure it better. Let's give it a little pinch. We'll do this side. Just have to add just a little bit. And then just line up the scallop. Okay, then you got this cute bow. Isn't that cute? And then you're gonna add this piece. So I just place that in the middle and I hot glue the back. So we'll just hot glue the back piece. And just fold that down. Look at the other side. And then fold that down, like so. Okay, so you got that. Isn't that cute? Such a cute bow. I'll make that the top. Okay, and then we're just gonna glue it to this piece. So I'm just gonna add a little hot glue here. And then I'm gonna line this up. Like so. And there's your cute bow. Isn't that so cute? Okay, now I'm going to add a centerpiece. So let's take one of these guys. Where's a puppy sticker? So I like to use a smaller piece. Let's see. Okay, we'll use this piece right here. Add just a little hot glue. And just place it in the center. There you go. And that's how you make the bow. Isn't that cute? And then we'll make the small one. Same thing. I'm going to glue this to the scallop piece. This is such pretty paper. I love this paper. Just do that. And then I'm going to line the center. So once that dries up, we'll curl that, but till then we'll do this piece. And again, I curl this part. So you see how it's reversed. I have the pink on the bottom and now the pink's on the top. Just place it on top. Okay, so now we're going to curl. I love this tool. It's like one of the best tools Sizzix made. Okay, now I'm going to take my pencil, add hot glue to that little corner. Pinch, make sure that scallop is lined up. Okay. Probably needed a smaller pen because this bow's a little bit tinier than the bigger one. Okay, last one. It's a little too big. I think I could do without it. Okay. Go. Perfect. And then we're going to add the little center piece. Just do that. And then flip it over. Then we'll add our glue. Cute. And now we're going to glue it to the little fishtail here. Makes such a cute bow. Go. Isn't that cute? And then we're going to add a little centerpiece. Let's see. I'll probably put... I'll put this in here. Okay, let's just add a little hot glue. All right, and that's how you make the cute bows. So you got the larger one, and then you got the smaller one. And again, this is a double loop scallop bow set from Scrapdivadesigns, and I'll put all the links down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.